Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Clickup for reporting. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using ClickUp for reporting allows you to track progress, analyze performance, and make data-driven decisions because ClickUp offers a variety of reporting tools and features to help you gather and present data effectively. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard, and there's going to be an option here for the plus button, wherein we're going to create a dashboard from scratch. We have all these: simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, business, and project management. Now, in this case, we're going to choose the team reporting because it encourages collaboration by viewing progress across teams. But the thing is, this is only available on the team reporting for the business plan. You can start your free trial, all right? And you need to select the data that you want to visualize. ClickUp dashboards help you to visualize data from your tasks. And of course, from here, just select a location to source your data from. In this case, it's going to be Deep Labs. I'm going to choose this one, all right, and create the dashboard. Wait for it because it's going to load all the necessary information. And from here, now once the dashboard is loaded, as you can see, these are going to be some of the widgets. You have the outstanding task. You have the option to duplicate or delete this card if you wanted. You can filter the card here from assignee, and it's automatically refreshed every single time. On this chart, as you can see, you can find out who's been doing all the tasks. All right, on the left, you can task by assignee pie chart gives you a visual of what each member of your team is working on, as well as tasks that might have been forgotten. Okay, so that's how you basically use the ClickUp for reporting. You can also have the custom calculation card. If you click that, you would be forwarded to another page. And these are the small guides. Going back again to the dashboard, you can also add a card on the upper right corner. Okay, so you have an option for the time tracking. Okay, when you click that, you have the option to see tasks that have been time tracked for the time reporting. All right, so it's up to you to rename this. For example, this is going to be the date range is going to be, is it going to be this week, last week, this month, last 30 days, or you can choose a rolling period of the last maybe 90 days, or you can set a range, let's say within the whole 2024. All right, so range is maybe like last week for now. Grouping is, you can choose the space, folder, list, and user. It's all up to you. And from the people, if you're working with multiple freelancers, client, and team members, you might want to enter their email or their username here. But in my case, I only have myself here. I'm going to add that. And the billable, you can show both. If you don't have any filter, just leave it as it is. You can also slide in the including archive and including the subtask. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on add to cart. And from here, you see, you can, of course, share this specific dashboard to your team members. All right. I'm going to add in the Deep Labs how-to tutorials, or you have the option to make it private, depending on your goals and needs. Now, again, on the dashboard, you might want to click again for that. We're going to choose the simple board. All right. I'm going to maybe put in another one, something like this. Click on dashboard, and again, you'll be welcome with another option for you to choose from. All right. You can now visualize time log on tasks, view project timelines and dependencies, and of course, track progress against sprint goals. And as you can see, you can basically drag and drop here some widgets to arrange them as needed. As you can add a specific card. For example, we're going to choose the workload by status. All right. I'm going to put this in. I'm going to include subtask, close, and of course display labels as percent. Because if you add a card here, ClickUp will consolidate all your project data and metrics into one platform, as you can see. See that? This centralization eliminates the need for multiple reporting tools, and of course it simplifies data access. Once you're happy with all of these information, you have the option to save your dashboard in PDF, but it'll take a little time to generate a PDF. So you might have to wait, because the dashboard will allow you to create customizable view of your data, enabling you to focus on specific metrics, project progress, or team performance. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. And of course, with this, you can choose from various widgets like task list right here. You have the option for the edit mode or not. You can also hover to your dashboards, wherein these are going to be the dashboards that we have currently working with, right? You can share that, your private workspace. And again, if you wanted to use the team reporting, it's very, very easy. Create a dashboard, and of course, it'll help you visualize data from your task, and just select a location again to source your data from. Now, one of the best feature for the creating reporting is the option here, where you can share in permissions, because you can assess individual and team workload to identify bottlenecks, balance tasks, and ensure optimal resource utilization. And again, if you haven't already, just invite the name or the email of your collaborators within this specific project. And by doing so, you would be able to gain insights into how many team members are spending their time helping to identify areas for improvement or reallocation. And when using the time tracking, you see, this is very useful for real-time collaboration, because you can share dashboards and reports with team members to facilitate discussions and decision-making based on shared data. You can always use ClickUp's collaboration features to discuss report details and provide feedback within the platform. We have a separate video on how to use the chat here in ClickUp. You might want to use the chat feature while sending the reports inside the chat, because again, we have downloaded the PDF. You might want to share that to the team across multiple channels, and from the PDF that we have saved earlier, you can now create custom reports tailored to your specific needs and preferences, ensuring you capture and analyze the most relevant data for your projects or team. Because again, the exported formats like PDF or CSV is going to be easy for sharing and presentation outside of ClickUp. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.